Did you know there's a Jewish Spanish language that sounds like this? Morenica mi llama, yo blanca nací. Hi, I'm Nani and I'm coming all the way from Amsterdam on February 24th to the Arcata Playhouse in California to play a Ladino concert. Ladino is a Jewish Spanish language that is going extinct, and my grandmother taught me the language in hiding because my father forbade us to speak the language at home. I'm going to share some songs from her heritage, but also songs that I composed myself in Ladino in an attempt to revive the language. I hope to see you there. This song's called Morenica, and it's about a black-eyed girl. Morenica, graciosica sos, tu morena y yo gracioso y ojos pretos tú. See you in the Arcata Playhouse on February 24th.